In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to boot your MacBook Pro from a DVD or CD. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to do it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is during startup, you want to press and hold the Option key to select the disk from a menu, or the C key to force a boot from the optical drive. If you have an Apple Silicon Mac, you'd have to press and hold the power button to see the startup options, and then you would select the bootable disk. Pretty straightforward process. On an Intel-based Mac, you would select the Option key to hold that down, and then alternatively, you could press the C key. On Apple Silicon Macs, you can just hold down the power button instead, and then you would select the bootable disk from the list of options, and then select Continue, and that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.